Hey, this is Jermaine and Gaines again. And today I'll be showing y'all. I know a lot of people been asking, which I don't have to show them this, but I don't care. How's my credit, or how can I teach people about credit, and they don't know how if I have good credit or not. Which credit is a difficult, and like I said, it's a tedious process, but I mean, I don't mind showing anyone my credit because I have decent credit. So, with that being said, okay, as you can see, everybody that know my name is Jermaine, but then again, my first name is Laurentium. Okay, as of December the 30th, my experience is a 716. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the reports. I just ran all three. Okay, as of December 30th, no, I'm gonna go back for a minute. I'm gonna let y'all see. Okay, as of October, okay, my experience was a 714. Okay, hold on. Let me check something again. Maybe I hit something wrong. Okay, my experience was a 714. My Equifax was a 677. I'm sorry, 677. And my TransUnion was a 703. And I got the exact same accounts, revolving, installment accounts, credit card accounts, whatever. I got the same accounts I've had all year, but if you go above a certain percentage, if you go above 30%, your credit going down. You always want to stay below 30%, but most importantly, you really want to stay below 15 to 10% on your credit cards if you can. As you can see, I had ever late. I only had two payments ever late, you know what I'm saying, on my credit. So that I will be getting off, and that will make my credit score boost up 50 or more points. But I vowed to myself that for the next several years, for all the years after those lates, I would never be late again. I would pay my credit card or whatever I got on time. You know what I'm saying? Even before the date, which I'll be showing you all that as you are repairing your credit. But okay, let me go to today's December 30th. Okay, as of today, December 30th, my credit score is a 705 for TransUnion. Equifax is a 712. And as you can see, it went up 35 points. And that just comes when it comes to your percentages on your credit cards, or your debt to income ratio and things of that nature. And my experience is now a 716. So as you can see, my credit is pretty decent. Like I said, it's not where I really want it. I will be in the 800s. I can promise you that. But I just want to give y'all a snapshot that whatever I'll be teaching y'all, you got to be patient, because credit, you have to be patient with it. It took years for you to get your credit where it was at, where it's at now. It might take years, it might take months, it might take weeks. I don't know. It just depends on the credit bureaus. It might, but I do know that your credit can be fixed, and you can have things you want, but you have to be patient through the process. And also, like I said before, you can learn how to do your credit yourself. I can do your credit for you, or I am also involved with a company that they do your credit repair for you, but they also teach you the financial side on how to save your money. And also you can earn money as you while you prepare your credit. So with that being said, I just want to give you all a snapshot of my credit, and I'll be seeing you shortly. You all have a great day, and God bless.